5,100. For 2005, 485,100. 2006, 485,100. For 2007, 508,248.72. For 2008, 627,763.20. For 2009, 645,000.
Sige po.
653.90. For 2010, 650,447.23. And for 2011, 1,147,301.77, amounting to 5,872,859.82.
All right. Thank you. Kindly go to Exhibit 117, which is the fourth page of this certification. Now, in there is a total amount appearing under yung bang CY calendar year?
Opo.
Oh, calendar year 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011. Now, there appears in here a total amount in the sum of 21,636,781 pesos and 45 centavos. Is that right?
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Now, kindly tell the Honorable Court what is the source of these figures that you have stated in these exhibits, Exhibit 1 to 117. Saan po galing ito mo?
The nature of payment are the following: salaries, longevity pay, pera, ADCOM, representation allowance and transportation allowance, extraordinary and miscellaneous expense allowance, monthly special allowance under Republic Act 9227, additional cost of living allowance, that is the JDF, productivity incentive benefit, clothing allowance, year-end bonus and cash gift, loyalty cash award, extraordinary and miscellaneous expense allowance from Presidential Electoral Tribunal, monthly expense allowance from Presidential Electoral Tribunal, and fringe benefit and other allowances such as emergency economic assistance, anniversary bonus, productivity enhancement benefit, Christmas cash gift, additional Christmas cash gift, year-end cash gift, fringe benefit, rice allowance, groceries as fringe benefit, additional fringe benefit, Christmas allowance, and pet Christmas allowance.
Now, I direct your attention to the figure reading 21,636,781.45 centavos, which I request your Honor to be marked, to be encircled and marked as Exhibit 117-A, Your Honor.
Mark it accordingly.
Where did you get this total amount? Saan po ninyo kinuha? Saan ang galing yun?
I reviewed and evaluated all the paid payrolls pertaining to salaries, allowances, and other benefits received by the Honorable Chief Justice from 2002 up to 2011.
All right. Now, do you now swear on the oath as to the correctness, accuracy, and truth of the entries appearing in this Exhibit 114, 115, 116 up to 117?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you also swear as to the truth of the correctness of the figure reading 21,636,000 pesos, 781 pesos rather, and 45 centavos?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, a little earlier, or a couple of weeks before, we requested for the production of payrolls in your possession, more specifically those covering that of the Honorable Chief Justice Corona. Do you have them with you now?
I don't have the
Why?
data
Why?
with me.
Kindly
It's
tell
too
the court.
It's too voluminous.
Lakas po ninyo.
Napakarami po ng paid payrolls para po madala namin sa ngayon.
Or in other words, if that is so, what does these figures appearing in Exhibit 114, 115, 116, and 17 represents or cover?
I reviewed and evaluated all the paid payrolls, Your Honor,
Meaning, sige po.
to certify as to correctness of the amount stated in this certification.
All right. Now, but the payrolls that you mentioned, which is rather voluminous and too cumbersome to be brought before this court, in whose possession are they?
In my possession, Your Honor.
And your possession dates back from when up to when?
From the time I joined the court up to present,
Meaning from what year up to what year?
from 1973 up to present.
Now, in your examination of the entries appearing in these payrolls, which you mentioned a while ago, were you at any time assisted by any of your employee in your division?
No, Your Honor.
Meaning you did it alone?
Yes, Your Honor.
Alright. Ano yung po? Ano po yung ibang pigyan? Ano pa yung isa? Ha? Sandin yun, sandin yun. Now, in the introduction, or during the introduction of the evidence for the prosecution, mention had been made that there had been no, ano tawag doon? No alpha list covering the Chief Justice from the year 2002, 2003, 2004, up to 2005. My question to you now is, do you have disclaimed ano tawag doon? Alpha list in your possession now?
Objection, Your Honor. Witness would be incompetent. She enumerated all her duties and functions, and the alpha list or taking care or supervising the reporting of such alpha list was not one of the duties which she mentioned.
Are you in possession of the alpha list, Madam, of the Supreme Court?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you have anything to do with this preparation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
In fact,
Let the witness answer.
In fact, it is mentioned as one of her functions, Your Honor. Now, sandin yun. Where do you have them with you now? I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Will you kindly bring it out for the information and examination by the Honorable Court? Witness witness handling to this representation, Your Honor. The alleged filed copies. Alin po ba ito?
Yes, Your
Susunod. Sige po.
Honor. The certified Xerox copies of the alpha list from 2002 up to 2005.
Can you dispense with this?
No, Your Honor.
No, we will just request, Your Honor, that we be permitted to have them marked and make the substitution later, because these are copies which form parts of the official record of the Supreme Court, Your Honor. But in the meanwhile, to gain time, we will just mark them.
Would there be any objection on the part of the prosecution to have those copies copied?
We have no objection to having those documents reproduced. We would like a copy, Your Honor, for purposes of our cross-examination.
Yeah.
Yes.
We will give you a copy as of
Yes.
today, Your Honor. Our only purpose is to preserve this as part of the records, official records of the Honorable Supreme
Yes.
Court, Your Honor.
So,
Now-
proceed.
Now, how about for 2003? Do you have it with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Witness handing over to this representation, Your Honor, the 200 BRR year-end report on compensation. How about 2004? Witness handling, Your Honor, to this representation, the 2004 year-end report.
Just a minute. Para malinaw, ginang witness, sabihin mo lang kung pag sinabi yung taon, kung meron o wala, para kompleto ang record natin.
Yung pong 2005, meron ho ba?
Meron
Wala?
po.
Meron po. Alright.
2005.
Witness handing to this representation, Your Honor, the 2005 BIR year-end report on compensation. Now, we request, Your Honor, that these documents identified by the witness in today's proceedings, Your Honor, be marked as follows. First, the 180 na. The 2002 BIR year-end report be marked as Exhibit 118, Your Honor,
Mark it accordingly.
which consists of made up of 5 pages. The BIR year-end report, Your Honor, dated 2003 on compensation, consisting likewise of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages, be marked as Exhibit 119.
Mark it
The-
accordingly.
2004 year-end report on compensation consisting of likewise several pages, Your Honor, be marked as exhibit. Ano yan? 120 na? Alright. And
Mark it
the
accordingly.
BIR 2005 year-end report identified by the witness consisting of ilan ba to? 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 pages be marked as exhibit.
120.
Now, will you kindly tell the...
Mark as what?
Pray for. Mark, inarka na. Okay. Oo.
What exhibit is that?
These are from exhibits 118 up to
117 to 120.
120, Your Honor. We have taken the liberty of earlier marking them for convenience, Your
All
Honor.
right, mark
And-
them accordingly.
And we are adopting the same markings, Your Honor, for identification purposes. 118 to 121. Now, kindly go